Hi there, I just wanted to make a quick short video on the Salis Skincare Salt Scrub and Blackhead Removal Mask. It comes with a little card. It tells you a little bit about the product and how to use it. The two I picked up was the Calendula and the Lavender and Jasmine. And hopefully you'll be able to see how the oils kind of settle to the top. And then when you get it, at the very top, all of it is completely covered in oil. You just have to really mix it. And then each time you use it, if you're using it daily, it's not going to settle as bad, but you can still see it's quite a bit at the top. And it comes with this little plastic spatula, if I can get it out. And it comes in each one. And then you can keep this in there, or if you have like a wooden one, whatever you prefer to use. And then you just mix it, get it all the way mixed up down to the bottom. And then you just scoop out about that much for each time you're going to use it. And you spread a thin layer across your face and then just leave it. It says about 10 minutes. It says you can do it as a mask and do it a little bit longer. Maybe like once or twice a week. I think it just depends on if you have really dry skin, really oily skin, what you're needing. The salt did, I've been using it a week, and the first couple of days it did dry my lips out, so I have to like be really careful not to get it on my lip area. I have to wipe that off because within 1 or 2 uses my lips were really dried out. It doesn't seem to over dry my skin because you can leave all those essential oils and the jojoba oil that's in it. You can just leave that on and like rub it into your skin, leave it on overnight. I wouldn't say to use it during the day if you wear makeup or if you have kind of particular skin, because the oils may be a problem for you. In the morning I did try it out a couple times, and I actually washed my face after with a different face wash, and then I didn't really see a problem. My skin didn't get excessively oily or anything like that, so it wasn't really an issue for me, but it's something you would have to test out just to see. But I'm enjoying it. It does seem to exfoliate. You don't have to do a manual exfoliation, but you can if you want to. I think like I said, it's a preference of what type of skin you have and what you need the product to do. But that's what it looks like. It's really oily, so it gets kind of messy. I just make sure to wash my hands each time, because if I just leave this in here, I make sure to wash my hands real good before and after. That way it's not just sitting down in there and getting any bacteria from my hands. And then the other thing I picked up was this Blackhead removal mask, and it comes in this little pouch. And it says to mix into a paste and leave on overnight for 3 to 4 nights. Then do it again. Take a break, do it again, up to a month. I haven't had any reactions. It doesn't burn, it doesn't itch, it doesn't, even though it gets completely dry on the nose at night, it doesn't really bother me. I don't notice it. It's not something where you wake up and you need to itch or it bothers you or anything. You don't get a ton of product. It's 1.8 ounce, but you can see it's just a powdered mask in a white color. It kind of comes out grayish, and then when it dries, it's white. You just mix it up real good, leave it on your skin. I did notice a pretty big difference with this in terms of my blackheads, so this actually seems like it does what it says. So it's definitely something to pick up and try if you have issues with your blackheads on your nose or your cheeks. It also says you can put it in the very corner of your eye, leave it overnight the same way you do for a spot treatment or anything like that you're using it for. And it's supposed to help clear away the darkness. I've done that one night, and I can't say I've seen a very big change, but it says you can do that if you want to try to help dilute some of the darkness under your eye. So that's something I'm still trying. If it does work, I'll try to do a before and after. That way you can actually see the difference. But I just wanted you guys to actually get to look at the product, because there was some interest in the actual product itself. And then the back of the salt scrub itself just gives you the ingredients, which is red mint real salt, organic jojoba oil, red mint clay, and then the essential oils. Depends on which one you get, of course, which oils are in there. But then it's in a base of the olive oil. So if you have any questions, just let me know, but hopefully that helps if that's something you guys are interested in. Thanks.